Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Today we'll talk about a Bittensor TAO targets updates with my customer Chris. What's going on now? Let's dive in, guys. This was a chart on a max, but I don't know why now they trade view get some data issue with max. So this was a logical test of the monthly gap, and around here I post the video, so we'll leave the top, so we will drop to the weekly gap. Sorry, to the monthly gap is here, and we basically closed the 50% of the weekly gap, and here's a monthly one. Monthly also closed like let's mark like this one, so you will understand the logic here. Also 50% tested, drop it back again. So here it was August 24, and in April 25 we come back once again to the same liquidity pool, but leave the basically actual lows. One day, I'm more than sure we're gonna test this and sweep that actual lows, this one, but not now. And globally, let's go back to the BitGet because maybe some real data issue here on the max. Globally, I think we will go higher. Yes, I believe the Bittensor is not forming the historical all-time low, and I think we will see another pump higher. Why? Because just simply BTC dominance still over than 61% even now. So if we will see the AI sector hype again, and I think we will see this hype again, looks like we form a 1-2 and we need to go higher to 761, for example. It looks like double bottom, global one on the weekly since March 24. So the size, I don't know, the size can be like, let's say approximately like this one. So here it can be like 1,300. Yes, it's more than real to see, but I don't think so. It's gonna be like 2,000 per TAO. No. I think everything will be more conservative one. And yes, I think we will see another wave up. Technically, now it looks like some range and without a deviation at the bottom. So this is one take. So globally, yes, of course, we didn't drop to the full field, but one day we will to $88. And imagine the smell if we will drop in the bear market from $1,300 to 88, for example, or even to $100 per TAO, like AI bubble is burst. So we will see. Do I believe in something like this one from this current prices? No. I don't believe. It's not because of I don't want to see this one. I'm not traded TAO. Now for me it's kind of not risky, but kind of expensive to buy the TAO for potential, let's say 200% gains. I'm not looking at that profit from the token. So time to buy the TAO. Been here, it's $30, $50, for example. Now it's 421. So basically, it's not at that time for accumulation. That's why, guys, basically just a simple range, right? And I hope we will not drop in August to sweep that actual lows. I think we will drop and sweep that lows later. So let's double check with indicator set now what's going on. So here it was distribution, sell, we leave the top. Accumulation, pump, but take a look. Pump to the top, almost to the all-time high, but without a crazy distribution. It's good. Now we just passed the middle zone. So the crazy capitulation, once again, it's a drop like this one. Of course, it's a drop like this one to sweep the actual lows, but this will be more than enough. I think it will be more than enough, but even I'm not sure about that drop. So yes, it can be something like this one and go higher and start build the global divergency on a weekly. So it can be something like this one. So on ADZ, it will be there, something like this top. It's hard to say about the timing, and something like this, and drop into bear market. So this is my plan for Bittensor, right? On the monthly, guys, we're just in the middle. So this is not accumulation, not a distribution. I don't think so. This bubble will drop and burst like this one now. I don't think so. We in the middle on the direction on the monthly, so still got a potential for the pump. We can form the high on direction because still no signal to sell. Signal to sell, I mean something like this one on the weekly. On a weekly, we should to see something like this one, the same example like on a daily. So here's accumulation, buy, sell, sell, time to out, drop. Be ready to out of the token. I wish to see the drop to sweep this liquidity pool under 300. So it's going to be just a perfect scenario for Bittensor in I don't know, August or September. October, November, I think we will see the green one and the total area on the market. So this is my take. Market, more money, power, guys. Apria, capitulation. Now it's just a positive. No apria, no madness, nothing. So this is just range. And we can trade in this range like 781 and 187. It's a long-term period. So we're ready in, let's say here as a date range, like from the top, let's say from this top, we're here like 500 days. Imagine 500 days we're in this range. All right, so no money inflow, no money outflow. Last money inflow being here in January. The price comfortable for the whales being like 337. So we are now at 420 and no money inflow, but we're at the top. So soon, anyway, I think we will see the money outflow. Monthly, here was a money outflow. 2 months money outflow. Afria, now nothing. So I wish to see the continuation higher, right, to the new all-time high, and after that, new money outflow. Daily, if you track this one, here's a money outflow, RSI bearish divergence, money inflow. Money in once again was at 287. So we are at the top with the news. You can check some news. Bittensor Foxer firm extended at least common shares of 22 million. Animoca Brains. You can check the Animoca Brains history. Not all of them, or not all of their investment are successful. So just in case. So for all of that, people who track the venture funds and think they do all the time the right investment, right? It's not true. TAO announced its public listing on T6 Venture Exchange, but like we can see, not affect the price at all. So once again, here the news 2 days ago, with the top and dump. So sometimes all of that news price it in 12% drop. Should be bullish, like wow, this news should be bullish, but nothing happened. So nothing happened at the only bearish one. Locally, yes, it's like a intraday trades with some money inflow bounces, but I wish to see that lower. If we count, for example, let's say 12 time frame, this is impulse, right? So we sweep this high, but not break the structure. So base it on the FIB, for example. This is the top. So 388, but I'm waiting to see the 346, and I'm waiting to sweep this low, like 290. So this is it, guys. Locally, yes, even if 346 we hold, it will be pretty good one. So globally, I believe in new all-time high, guys. Trade on, I showed you. Daily, buy, take profit, sell, buybacks, no main signal to buy. Sell was here, buy back, no main signal. And the last guy's indicator is take profit. This is, by the way, the update. So here, for everyone who's screaming, we never drop back, and never drop to the buy line or to the fundamental value, guys, here. We dump it to the fundamental value on a weekly. Rejected at take profit. So guys, I highly recommend you use this set, so you will save a lot of time, a lot of nerves with analysis. So for investment, it's pretty good one. So if it works pretty good, if the token is still listed on exchanges. If the token delisted from exchanges, probably we can not analyze these tokens anymore. Buy line now on the weekly, it's 269. Honestly, I don't think so. We're gonna see some crazy red candle down, but everything possible. So in theory, just in theory, it should be like drop 36% bigger than this one candle. So I don't think so. We will see. It should be like, the August and the September should be a red one. Now I don't see any reason why. Only if the BTC dominance, for example, go into 72%, the all liquidity will inflow again into BTC in this case. Take profit, it's 536, exit line 600. Weekly. Daily 260. So this is basically what I wish to see, 260, but I'm not sure we will see this one. All lines are dynamic, guys. 12 time frame, 246. I don't believe in 246. So more likely, you know, I wish to see, of course, the sweep of 286 and the test of the buy line. And after that, we can talk about a potential uptrend move. So this is it, guys. If you would like to trade with my customer Kasai, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Link will be on the description below with discount 10%. This is updates for the video what I posted previously. Subscribe channel. Don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.